Hi everybody, my name is Karen and I'm the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on the path to become a police officer. In this workshop, I will guide you through the steps that are necessary if you would like to become a police officer. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with step one. Step one is the most common requirement, which is a high school diploma. Of course, without a high school diploma, you won't be able to pursue a higher education. A high school diploma will make you eligible to apply to a higher education program towards your desired degree. In high school, you can start by learning the basics about the field by taking classes in high school that will help you understand the fundamentals, such as government or law. Of course, these courses will help you understand more about the career, and if you are interested in that career, of course, it is always recommended that you pursue AP classes because those AP classes can eventually give you college credit when you go into college. Let's move on to step two, which is a bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree is optional. Here is the list of a few recommended majors that you should pursue or that you may be interested in pursuing if you would like to do a career as a police officer: criminal justice, criminology, forensic science, political science, and law and government. Having a bachelor's degree will make you look more favorable compared to other applicants to the police department, and that is why a bachelor's degree is optional. If you don't want to go into school so much, of course, you can pursue other options such as an associate's degree or a certificate as well. Step 3, pass the law enforcement entrance exam. In order to be admitted to a police academy, you must pass the law enforcement exam. The tests and scores to be admitted will depend on the police academy. Of course, you are going to have to attend a police academy if you would like to be a police officer. The police academy is where police officers will receive most of their training, and it can last up to 6 months. That is, whether you have a bachelor's degree or you don't have a bachelor's degree, it is still mandatory for you to attend a police academy. And finally, we have step 4, which is gain work experience and consider opportunities for advancement. You can work towards a promotion. That is, if you would like to continue being a police officer and without going to more further education, you can always work your way towards a promotion. Pursue a master's degree. There are various master's degrees that you can pursue, such as criminology and criminal justice, forensic science, etc. if you would like to advance your career and if you would like to get more opportunities for yourself. And obtain additional skills. Of course, throughout a job, you always have the opportunity to obtain more and more skills as you work through it. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop or you'd like to chat about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye!